10 fascinating facts about mountain gorillas. 1. Habitat and range. Mountain gorillas live exclusively in high-altitude mountain rainforests and cloud forests. Among the Virunga Mountains across Uganda, Rwanda, and DRC, and Bwindi Impenetrable National Park in Uganda. 2. Conservation milestone. From just 320 individuals in the late 1990s, the global population has risen to around 1,060 to 1,100 gorillas, thanks to anti-poaching patrols, veterinary care, and regulated tourism. They were downlisted from critically endangered to endangered in 2008 due to stable population growth. 3. Social structure. Mountain gorillas live in family troops typically led by a dominant silverback, a mature male with his silver patch on his back. Troops can range from 10 to 30 members, though the largest recorded group reached 65 individuals. 4. Intelligence and emotion. Sharing about 98 to 98.5% of their DNA with humans, mountain gorillas are highly intelligent. They use tools, learn tasks, and have rich emotional lives, displaying behaviors like laughter, grief, hugging, and even singing. They communicate through a range of vocalizations, facial expressions, and gestures. 5. Diet and behavior. Primarily herbivores, they eat up to 34 kilograms, 75 pounds of vegetation daily, leaves, shoots, bamboo, bark, and occasionally invertebrates like ants or snails. They build fresh nests daily, both on the ground and in trees, for sleeping and midday resting. 6. Lifespan and reproduction. Gorillas live 35 to 40 years in the wild, and females reach breeding age around 10 years, giving birth to one infant every 4 to 6 years after an 8.5 to 9 month gestation. Newborns weigh just 4 to 5 pounds and cling to their mothers for the first years of life. 7. Threats and conservation. Threats include habitat loss, poaching, disease transmission. Humans and gorillas share diseases due to genetic similarity and conflict in their range. Their presence also plays a vital role in seed dispersal, forest regeneration, and ecosystem health. 8. Every gorilla has a unique nose print, and shapes around their nose is distinctive and often used by researchers and trackers to identify individuals without tagging or disturbing them. Just like human fingerprints, each mountain gorilla has a unique nose print. The pattern of wrinkles. 9. Gorilla trekking is highly regulated. To protect gorillas from stress and human-borne illnesses, only a limited number of permits are issued each day. Trekkers are allowed to spend just 1 hour with the gorilla family, and visitors must keep a minimum distance of 7 meters, wear masks, and follow strict hygiene protocols. These regulations are essential to ensuring sustainable tourism and the long-term survival of the species. 10. Diet and Fossey played a major role in their protection. Mountain gorillas might not exist today without the work of primatologist Dian Fossey, who lived among them in Rwanda's Volcanoes National Park. Her research and advocacy in the 1960s-80s helped expose poaching and raised global awareness. Her legacy continues through the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund, which still supports conservation, education, and community development.